The new entry will allow parents and visitors to come into the building without getting into the main part of the building.
The stairs are wider. Now it will be easier for students who have the classes upstairs to get up and down and to class on time.
The building looks brighter and more open with lots of glass. The layout is more reasonable because everything is grouped together.
The classrooms will be bigger, and the new seating will give us a lot more room.
I really like the LGI space in the middle of the classrooms. This will allow us to get together and do things with other classes.
I like the new layout in the media center. I feel like I will go there more now.
I'm excited that there will be a makerspace so that we can do different types of projects.
The serving line has a lot more space, so it will be easier for us to get our food.
Since we have a lot of people in our school, it is hard to find space to sit with your friends. There might not be room at their table, so you have to sit with people you don't know. The new cafeteria will give us more space.
I'm excited that we can play on the stage now with the added seating for the band and choir.